welcome to Craft Bar. Today I'm going to try making a mouse pad and decorating it with rub-on transfers. I found these two items at my local Dollar Tree and thought, hey, I wonder if I could use them together. So let's find out. It's really going in. Yeah, these big blank mouse pads. These are by Greenbrier, like a lot of things at Dollar Tree. They don't give the dimensions, but I will measure it out for us. It is 8 inches, just shy about 10 inches, so good size. All right, these are Crafter Square from the Dollar Tree. You get one sheet. They do not give you anything. Also by Greenbrier. Fun. Okay. I don't have any particular rhyme or reason to how I want to do this. Guess I want to make sure it's going to work first. Okay, like tattoos. Just kind of lay it out and decorate it in. Maybe I'll cut some of these out. Try that out first. Let's see if this is even possible now. I don't have any popsicle sticks, so I'm using the end of my Cricut tool, my spatula. Now, there is some give in the surface of the mouse pad, and that may affect the transfer goes down. Oh, I see. It'll turn white and sort of lift up on its own. Oh yeah, that's totally gonna work. That absolutely works. Look. Okay. All right. I'm gonna start decorating. I'll show you the end result when we're done. And there it is. That is a great finished picture. So a mouse pad. Here is the grippy bottom, fully embellished. It does work. I am using my mouse successfully on it. All right. I think that's a great $2.50 product, even at the new Dollar Tree prices. So if you've got these mouse pads, grab them. If you've got a rub-on transfer, they are smooth enough. They take it well. I'm not going to flex it. I don't want to mess them up, but look, nice and smooth, no issues. All right, thanks for checking it out. Y'all have a great night. Like and subscribe, get more content like this. We'll see you again soon here at the Craft Bar. Bye-bye.